Hi, welcome to Craft Little Things. I'm Andrea and today I'm showing you a project using this gorgeous dandelion wishes which I've been waiting ages for. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but I know I'm going to do something. I've got a white card base measuring 8 by 6 which I'm going to fold, which I've already scored, and I'm going to fold and burnish to make a 6 by 4 card base. Then I've got black, which I'm going to put on there, which is 5 7/8 by 3 7/8, and then I've got a white piece that I'm going to stamp onto, which is 5 3/4 by 3 3/4. So this piece can go already onto my card base, because I know that's just going to go on there. I'm not going to do anything fancy. No, nothing on that. So now I'm just going to, I don't even know what I'm going to do. I just know I need to use this quick because I've just got it and I need to use it. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to go black and white with this. So I've got my basic black out, and I'm going to go with just the one daisy here, dandelion here, I think. It's crazy, isn't it, how people just get obsessed with the same set. So many people want this, so many people love it. Last year it was the daisies. The daisies were just so popular. And this year it's the dandelion. I think I'm going to put that sort of there. And then, which sentiment should I use? I made a wish and you came true. Oh, lovely. I'll use that one. And now that I made a wish and you came true is going to go, I think onto, I'm gonna pop some colour in. So I'll just pop that there for now, so we know where it is. Yeah, so I'm just going to pop this, line this up on my grid paper, and get some ink going on. I'm always a little bit sceptical of the archival ink. Oh, it's retired now anyway. Right, I'm just going to, I think I just want this to be sort of there. Look at that, what a great stamp. I love it. I'm not sure if the other, you know, like this stamp here, I'm not sure if it's too big for it to, you know, you can't really join that on there. Maybe you can put it at the top, but I'm not going to put it on. I'm not going to put anything else on there. I'm just going to keep this really, really, really simple, I think. What a gorgeous stamp. And I'm not going to do anything elaborate at all. I'm just going to pop that back in there. I'm going to pop that back onto there. Just going to keep it really, really basic and simple. I don't even want to detract from the beauty of that stamp. I'm going to pop that on there. so. And then I don't know whether to just stamp that direct on. I think I'm just going to be really basic. That's what I'm going to do. Just let me get it lined up nicely. Oh no, look, it's gone off on a tangent. Oh no. So now I have no choice but to go back to plan A. This is why you have a stamping platform. Right, that'll do. Oh, I really like that as well, with nothing on it. But I've got a better idea now. I do have a better idea. I'm going to get myself a little punch. Whoops. I've moved everything around in my craft room. And I've finally sorted out which inks are retired and which punches are retired. You'd think I'd have done that ages ago, but no, not me. But I've done it now. I'm hoping that this fits. Oh yes. Perfect. Punching that out. Using the tailored tag punch, which is absolutely stunning and fabulous. And I'm going to use that in a minute to do my next project for tomorrow, which is a thingy, a what's it, a which is a scrapbooking page. I've done one for a while. I'm just gonna do the favourite thing to do with this punch, which is punch out 2 and get yourself a nice background. You can see I'm using the same sort of colours that I used to make my little box stack. I'm trying to get away from baby pink and baby blue. If you haven't noticed, I got a little bit hooked on those colours. I'm using the lovely lipstick here just to get a nice little base for the backing. And I'm just going to pop that on over my mistake. And no one will ever know it was there. And then I'm going to use the dimensionals. I was certain I had dimensionals out. Absolutely certain. But I obviously didn't. I obviously left them over in my basket. I have my basket of dreams over there, which is my everything I need for crafting. And the other thing, oh there it is. I was just going to say, the other thing is, I had a Stampin' Up pop-up bin and I've lost it. Oh, do you know what? I'm glad I made a mistake. Sometimes you just have to be glad that you made your mistakes, because your mistakes lead you to a better place than you were heading without them. And look at that. That's a case where that happened, because that pink is just so cute. Oh, how simple is that card, but how lovely is it? I love it. What a lovely set. Look how crisp that image is there. It's beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm going to have to make something else with it because I just love it. I loved it the second I saw it. Absolutely beautiful. Well, thank you for joining me.